Okay, everybody, we just got this new product. These little miniature mics, they say they work great up to 85 feet. They hide really well, so you can do good interviews. I got two mics in the receiver, so we're getting ready to run it through the test. I'm on it right now, and we're going to see how far I can go with it. I have it on my shirt. It's tucked under here, where you can't really see it. So I'm going to see how far I can walk downstairs and outside with it. All right, I'm going down the stairs. I'm going to walk all the way over to my truck. Let's see if I can carry it that far. Okay, I'm on the last step. I would say we're a good distance away. We're every bit of 50 feet right here. I got to go to my truck. Let's see if we make it that far. Okay, I'm almost to my truck. Okay, I'm almost all the way back now. I'm almost 10 feet from the camera, 5 feet.